Hello guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to make a delicious and healthy fruit smoothie with natural yogurt. This is a quick and easy to make snack that will help you maintain a healthy diet even in the rush of daily life. So if you want to try a refreshing, nutritious and delicious drink, just follow the step-by-step of this video. This smoothie is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that are essential for the proper functioning of our body. In addition, natural yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics that help strengthen the immune system and improve intestinal health. Fruits add a touch of flavor and sweetness to the smoothie, as well as provide fiber and other nutrients important to our health. If you like this recipe and want to learn more than 30 healthy and delicious recipes, check out my ebook Healthy Recipes for a Better Life, which is available at the first link of the description. There you will find many options to vary your menu and maintain a balanced and tasty diet. Now, let's go to the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious smoothie. 1 banana, 1 apple, 1 orange, ½ cup natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, ice to taste. Banana sums up in potassium, fiber and B-complex vitamins, which help regulate blood pressure, improve intestinal transit and provide energy to our body. The apple is rich in soluble fibers and antioxidants that help control cholesterol and prevent cardiovascular disease. Orange is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and combat oxidative stress. Natural yogurt is rich in protein, calcium and probiotics, which help strengthen bones, improve digestion and increase immunity. Now that you know the ingredients and their benefits, let's go step by step to prepare the smoothie. Peel the banana, apple and orange and cut into small pieces. Put the fruits in a blender and add the natural yogurt, honey and ice to taste. Beat everything until you get a homogeneous and creamy smoothie. Pour the smoothie into a glass or jar and serve immediately. Did you like that recipe? So don't forget to leave your like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to learn more healthy recipes like that, be sure to check out my ebook Healthy Recipes for a Better Life, which is available at the first link in the description. With it, you'll get access to over 30 delicious and healthy recipes selected by nutritionists as the best recipes for quick and healthy weight loss.